Are you looking forward to fix Thread app slow? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you are connected to strong internet connection. Once you're connected to strong Wi-Fi, next thing you want to do is head over to the App Store on your device. Inside the App Store, search for Thread in the search bar. Now you need to head over to this application. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then simply click on update and update the app to the latest version. Once you've got the updated version of the app, the next thing you want to try doing is head over to the settings of a device. Inside the settings, you need to move into general. Head over to iPhone storage. In this page, scroll down and search for the application Thread. Once found, click on it. Now click on Offload App, and once again tap on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.